Official ako. Okay, so, grabe. It's very colorful today, no? Sobrang alam ko naman talaga pag ang mga Dolmar land sellers ang nag-party. Talagang party. To the roof, no? Talagang lahat naka-get up. So, sigurado later on po, mahirapan ang mga judges natin, no? Para mamili ng ating mga star of the night. Okay, so, this evening po, we're going to celebrate our 2024 year-end party and our first semestral sales awards, which we will be recognizing po yung mga top producers natin for the first semester. So, alam ko po lahat kayo are all excited. There will be a lot of fun and laughter po for this evening. Especially po, everyone is very participative. And syempre, marami tayong mga paraffol. Nakikita nyo din sa harapan. Okay? Excited ba lahat? Yes, and then, syempre later on po, may mga hinanda pong presentations ang bawat isa. We have 9 groups who's going to prepare and present their representation or interpretation nila ng Dolmar Land Carnival theme. This year po is a very challenging year, no? Hindi ko masasabing tough year, no? Because lahat naman ng mga pinagdaanan ng mga sellers are very tough. But alam ko, konting-konti na lang, mahihit na natin ang target natin. And alam ko with our mantra na sama-sama tulong-tulong, mahihit natin ang target for 2024. Tama po ba? Yes! Sama-sama? Sama-sama? Yes. Alam ko kaya natin yan because we made it for the past 2 years. No? So talagang since 2021, we hit our 1 billion mark, and last year is we hit the 2.2 billion mark in terms of sales. So palakpakan naman natin ang ating sarili kasi all of you here are contributors, no, sa sales natin. And of course, there are a lot of reasons po bakit tayo nandito ngayon. Hindi lang because we wanted to experience yung year-end party. Of course, we really wanted to recognize the efforts of our awardees, no, for 2024. And of course, we really wanted to celebrate itong joyous event na to. And lastly po, no, syempre po, one of the goal po natin dito sa Dolmar Land is we really wanted to grow our sales network. I think last 2022, dito rin tayo. But nakikita natin ng 2022, at laki ng difference na yung 2024. Kasi ang luwag-luwag pa natin ng 2022. Because konti lang tayo that time. But pumasok ang 2023, 2024, eto na tayo. Malaki-malaki na po ang network natin. And eventually po, we will be building a lot of network, sales network, hindi lang sa north. We were going to have it in far north, in Pampanga area, because we're going to have a project in Pampanga. And yes, also, hindi lang sa Pampanga, and eventually in the future, we're going to have a lot of projects. So, before I end my opening remarks, I would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our brokers, our sellers, the staff, the management team, Ms. Nalita Verbon, our AMD head, Nel, and then of course our VP for Business Development, Mr. Angelo Elipse. Of course, syempre po yung mga staff natin dito ngayon, and of course po the Tan family, Ma'am Lily Tan, Ma'am Susan Tan, Miss Cynthia Tan, and our marketing head consultant, Miss Patricia Tan, and our director for operations,